sad.
Pass the phone down. Pass the phone down. No. I think I'm good. It's over.
At some point, I'm scared.
Lululemon part 2. Now guess. On your right, you would be approaching the porta fort. Look at it. It's the porta fort.
Time. Let it die. Let it die. Let it shrivel up and cry. Come on, one more time. Whoa. If we just act like really stupid, I
Little talk on what's happening today.
Okay. What should I say? Like we're gonna go to the Marsh.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Today we are going to blow up the Marsh. It's gonna be crazy. We're gonna have Juice WRLD there. We're gonna have Tupac and Biggie. There's gonna be a huge rap battle I heard between the alligators.
But Ninja's showing that guest appearance though too.
Well, I guess that sums it up for what we're doing. But yeah, we're just gonna go blow up the Marsh. So see you there.
We're gonna storm it like the trees in Vietnam.
Well, no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, my mom brought mac and cheese, so.
Trees.
Hope you guessed my name. But what's puzzling you is the nature of my game.
I'm not filming, don't worry.
Stuck around St. Petersburg when I saw it was a time for a change. Killed the Tsar and his ministers and a stage.
Oh my.
Alright, we're live.
Hey man, welcome to Dingman Marsh. Yeah, wait. This is part of the Michigan DNR. We don't mess around here. We protect the environment and everything about it. Let's go.
I think I hear another one.
You hear that? Yeah, I hear.
There was a yellow warbler here too.
They call punk though.
Gangsters. Welcome back to the show.
It's a forest.
With the Disney Channel flow. Hit 1 million.
Who the hell are flipping you?
It's Tessa Books. The competition shit. These guys are bummy. I got him with the hook. Gotta take me a shit, you know?
Quack.
Oh, great dog.
Birds.
Look at this.
Get a picture of the whip.
No. Edward. Wait, what? There's a raptors are still alive?
Yeah, that's good.
Look at Luke. Look at Oliver's stuff.
No, that's messed up.
Guys, we're literally going right now.
There he is, on the chestnut-sided warbler. Oh, that's pleased to meet you.
Oh,
This is different bird. Pleased to meet you.
Oh, okay, yeah, okay.
yeah, what good, Jit?
That's a weird looking frog.
Look at that sucker.
He's feisty.
Whoa, he's a fight. Oh, I'm gonna cook.
We got.
Grab it.
Okay.
Look at him. Grab that. Put it in there. Key it out.
Guys, there's figs here. No, it's a breeze.
We went in the water and caught some species and organisms, and we found a snake, and we were playing around with the snake.
No, we
right
found
now,
the snake.
Yeah, okay, my bad. You guys, my fault. Credit where credit is due. You guys found the snake.
No, what is this thing?
That's actually one of the organisms we caught.
Excuse me? Sir, please back off. Do not get so close to the camera. Sir, please.
Look, if you call him a dirty baboo. Yo.
Come on, we gotta go. Get Lynch Mob YT. Shout out to Lynch Mob YT. You're literally daddy.
Get it! It's right there. Get it! Put it in the net. Oh yeah!
Oh, Wrangler.
Gardener snake.
It's gonna kill you.
No, it won't. It doesn't bite. It's a gardener snake.
I don't know, dude.
It's a. Right? Lift it up.
Yeah, I want to grab him.
Get some video of this.
Yeah, you got a garter snake.
Yes, sir. Miss the point. Look.
You will never see my kind of people do this.
Look at it. It's a big one. No, Finn, they got a snake. Woo!
Dude, Charlie.
Chase, what is that?
Charlie.
Was it in the water?
It was
This is not a pond.
Welcome to the app.
Definitely it's an amphibian. It's a joke, by the way.
Let's go that way, Brady. I don't want to break. Can we don't?
I'll be out.
He's
See him
not
out there?
warty looking.
Get somebody, get a couple boys and use that. Find us a snake, a water
Might
snake.
be a Strecker chorus frog. I don't think so though.
Charlie, no, it's Bobber. Bobber no swim.
Jason, you want to shout out on the
John
Wait, can you record something?
Oh,
yeah, hold on. Yeah.
All right,
how
hit
your
it.
day was.
Hit it.
So today we out here, we're with our biology class, and we're learning about all the different plants and animals in our ecosystem here in northern Michigan. So pretty educational stuff.
Yeah, I've learned a lot.
Yeah, me too.
I've learned fish eat water. Ted eats fish.
That eats fish.
Ted, do you want to shout out to like Guggen or something right now?
I'm actually shouting out to
Swerve Gang.
yeah, shout out Swerve Gang. Go sub to their YouTube channel. They're pretty lit. They make some sick winter ski edits.
Can we?
Yeah.
Go sub to them right now.
Can we have a Ted Eats?
What is that edible?
Ooh, I don't know. I don't think so.
That's not edible, Ted. Don't eat it.
Is it just dandelions that are edible?
This is edible. This is
Bro's
good.
eating. Bro's eating good.
Ted, we're gonna have to eat
Spinach.
some dandelions after this.
I already ate a dandelion.
All right, come on, let's go. All right, Ted, do you want to join our group? Finn, we lost Burger. We gotta go. Wait, what? I think they might be.
That's so lame, bro.
Ted,
Keep going.
Oh, rap battle right now.
Rap, get over here. Looking for the snake. It looks like a rake. It is really red, like trippy red. Whoa!
Hey.
Look at it swim. It looks like a little bit of fish.
Oh.
Go, Finn.
Walking on the path, on the grass with a little rock. Maybe it's a cat. I don't really know where I'm gonna go. But all I know is that I really love that.
It's the can collection.
No.
Finn, that's 10 cents.
Finn, you got that swag.
Finn, what is that?
10 cents right here. So they threw it on the wrong side.
Chonk.
Guys, I got the net.
Just thought I'd open up a quick little brewski before this, eh?
Where?
He's down here somewhere.
It went under the wall. It's actually red.
Wait, where?
He just said the red ones are venomous.
What kidding?
You were just crawling over my foot. You just crawled over my foot. I'm not kidding. No, there's one right here. I swear to God.
He's got a dandelion.
Taste test.
Should I just crunch the whole thing?
Taste test.
Only the top part of the flower. He's true blue. He's a piss pot.
It's gotta taste horrible.
So
How's it? It's gotta taste horrible.
No, it tastes good.
2 out of 10.
2 out of 10. Would not recommend.
It does taste
Alright.
Funny.
Miss LaPointe, do you have my phone and stuff?
Finn, I still hold it.
Finn, I think the SD card fell out of the GoPro.
What's
guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you like and subscribe. And we'll see you next video.
Fit as a free OnlyFans.
I do have that too.
Oh, I can't see. Let's go it. It's definitely a snail, bro. It's crazy. Power up. Mr. Brick. Mr. Bricker. Wait, look, it's Mr. Bricker.
Hey, though, listen.
Oh, it's so weird it like pushes your foot up when you step.
Buddy, you got your speaker on.
No, it's not on.
Is it waterproof? Yeah! Also, we're gonna have to do the candle line right now.
Next week.
What?
Eat it, Wardo.
Oh, I think I still.
Alright, you gotta do the outro.
No, but it might be from the GoPro. Wait, here's the GoPro. Thanks, Talia.